All right, so today we're going to be talking about simplifying an expression by combining like terms, or just more simply put, combining like terms. So in algebraic terms, you can only add variables that are the same variable. Like you can only add the A's and the B's and the C's. And today's is going to be the X's and the Y's also too. Now you can't add a variable. You can't add like a 2x plus 3. Like there's no, unless you know what the value of x is, you can't really add those together. So the best you can do is you can simplify that down to 2x plus 3, right? All right, so let's look at the first problem. First problem is 4x plus 2x. Now that's kind of this is a good problem to start with. I like it. So 4x plus 2x. Now imagine you have 4 x's on a piece of paper, right? So you have 4x equals 1, 2, 4. So you have 4 x's. And you also have 2 x's right here, right? Equals 1, 2 x's. 1, 2. If you added those up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you get 6 x's. And that's the same answer we're going to get over here. If you take 4x plus 2x and you add those together, you're going to get 6x. But if you look at it, that's how it's going to break down. 4x's plus 2x's. And you're just going to simply add those together because that's the operation there. So 4x plus 2x is going to equal 6x. Now remember, you can only combine like terms. So if it's a different variable, you can't combine those. Or if it's just a constant, you can't combine a variable term with a constant. All right, next one. This one's a little bit more complicated. So 5y plus 3 minus 2y, all right? Now here, just looking at the variables, if you look at this variable and this variable, right? You have 5 y's and you're going to take away 2 y's. So I have 5 y's. I know my drawing's terrible. If I have 5 y's and I take away 2 y's, you're going to be left with 3 y's. So 3 y's plus 3, because that's a different term, right? 3y plus 3 is your answer. And if you want to, you can just kind of simplify it and just go through and be like, hey, I'm going to combine all the terms with the same letters and write that down. Then I'm going to add all the constants together. And then that's going to be my answer. So let's do it again over here. Number 3. Let's stick to our method just so we kind of like have an understanding in there for sure. So 3x plus 4 plus x plus 2. Now we have 4 terms. The last one we had 3 terms. We had 5y plus 3 minus 2y. We combined the y's and then just left the 3 alone. So we have 3y plus 3. Here we have 2 terms. The 2 like terms are going to be 3x plus x. We're going to combine those. And then the constants, those are going to be like terms too. We're going to combine those. So we have 3 x's. Take those 3 x's and you add 1 x, so 3x plus x. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. So I'm going to put 4x down. And then the constants, you're going to add them by themselves. So 4 plus 2 is going to equal 6. Okay? And that's combining like terms. Next. (7a minus 3a plus 1). So what do we see in here? We always want to look at the equation and say, hey, what do we see? What am I asked to do? Of course, we're combining like terms. So anything similar, we're going to add, subtract, multiply, whatever the equation calls for. But here, you have 7 a's, you're going to minus 3 a's, and then plus 1. So if you have 7 a's, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, those look like 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that I said they look like 9s, I'm actually drawing them like 9s. That's crazy. So I have 7 a's. I'm going to take away 3 a's. So I have 7 a's. I'm going to take away 3 a's. 1, 2, 3. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So I have 4 a's left after I combine those 2 terms. And then we're just going to bring the constant over, which is plus 1. All right, and the answer is 4a plus 1. Okay, so next problem. Problem 5, 6 plus 2b plus 4 plus b. Now here we're going to add up the variable terms first. It's going to be 2b plus b. So if you have two b's, 1b, 2b, right? You add another b, you have 3 b's. So 2b plus b is 3b. 6 plus 4 is what? 10. So over here, the answer is 3b plus 10. Right? So just to go through and just kind of point some of these out, just go back through some of the problems. You know, number one was easy, 4x plus 2x. So if you have 4x's plus 2x's, you're going to get 6. We kind of wrote that out over here. Next problem, we have two like terms, 5y and 2y. Those are two like terms. We're going to combine them. 5 minus 2 is 3. And then we have a constant by itself. That's just going to come down there. That doesn't combine with anything else. Number 3, 3x plus 4 plus x plus 2. We combine 3x plus x, which is 4x. And then we added 4 plus 2, which is 6. So 4x plus 6 is the answer there. All right, 7a minus 3a plus 1 was the fourth equation. We took 7a minus 3a, which is 4a, plus 1 to get the answer, which is 4a plus 1. And the last one, it is, sorry, paper start to wrinkle. Last one, number 5, 6 plus 2b plus 4 plus b. I combine the two like terms with b, the b variable. 2b plus b is 3b. 6 plus 4 is 10. Give you an answer 3b plus 10. So I'm always glad to hear from you guys in the comments section. So if you guys want to leave me a comment, some ideas, maybe some other types of problems that you want to see, or there's a specific problem that you want me to solve on a video, I'd be glad to do it. I have yet had anybody post an equation or a problem on there to have me solve it. I'm excited and look forward to doing that soon. So I want to say thank you guys. This is my channel, the Math Test Prep. Sorry, Math Test Prep Tutor. And this is me working out some problems to try to help you guys with standardized testing. Thank you guys. Have a good night. Like and subscribe, please.